2,000 years later.
Oh shit, here we go again.
The struggle is not just about lost or misplaced keys. What if I have to let in any family member while I am at work? Then I have to put the keys under the floor mat, and which is not high security. And what if I actually lost the keys? Then I have to call a locksmith and pay 400 to 500 rupees to make a new key, which is expensive, time taking, and honestly outdated. Hey, hello guys, this is Shubhabroto and welcome back to my channel circuiTician. Today in this video we are going to see how we are making a access control system based on fingerprint and RFID. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's get started. So here is our main controller board. This is basically the LM2596 buck converter, and here is the adjustable preset, and I have adjusted the voltage to 5 volt, and here is our ESP32 development module. I will insert this module into the header. Okay, then I have this fingerprint sensor RS302, and I have soldered this connector with the fingerprint sensor. Now I will insert the sensor into its appropriate position. This position is for the fingerprint. It has been connected. Now I will connect the RFID. So this is the RFID RC522 module. This is cheap and almost reliable because I am using this over 3 years. And this is the port for the RFID. There you can see. Now I have a common cathode RGB LED and a buzzer connected to this 6-pin relimate connector. Now I will connect this to this port. Okay. And after that I have 2 buttons for demonstration purpose. One button will be used for the Wi-Fi and another will be used for opening the lock from the inside. So I will connect this to this 3-pin port. After that I have 2 more connectors. This is for giving 12 volt power. We are using 12 volt because our solenoid valve will be basically the solenoid lock will be of 12 volt. I will connect this in the power port, and this 2-pin connector is for connecting the solenoid lock. So here we have completed our circuit. So we have total 1 this RFID, then this fingerprint sensor, then these buttons, a buzzer and a RGB LED, and this is for power and this is for the solenoid valve. So that is it. This is our connection. Now we will move for the demonstration purpose. So here is our system. For now I have powered it with 5 volt supply through the USB because it's a demonstration, and also I don't have the solenoid lock here. So first we have to see, like, if I place the finger here for scanning, it shows red light, means access is not granted because anything is not registered. And for the RFID also, this card is also not registered and this token is also not registered. So anything, any card or fingerprint is not registered, so we cannot open the door. So first we have to click the button to turn on the Wi-Fi of this board and let it connect to our home network. blue light means the Wi-Fi is turned on and it is connected to the home router. Now we have to add the fingerprint and the RFID. For that, in our mobile, we have our mobile is connected to our home router. Okay. So first we have to search for the device at which IP it is connected, because it is not possible to every time plug this device into the computer and see the CDL monitor for IP. So we have to type CDL because it is advertised in MDNS system as CDL. So we have to search CDL, so we will know the IP address, that is 192.168.1.12. Now we will go to Chrome browser and type this IP address. So here is our web page. So we have to put the WebSocket URL, that is also same IP address, and before that we have to put ws:// and click on connect. So it is connected, it's showing green and status is system ready. So and here you can see there is no fingerprints or no RFID registered here. Okay, and from here you can change your new SSID or password if you are moving this device to another house. So you can change the Wi-Fi credentials from here. Okay, now we will add our first finger. Click on the add fingerprint or new fingerprint button. Place the finger. Remove your finger, then place the same finger again. It will tell you that fingerprint readed, and then you have to enter your name. Okay, then save and scan. So here you can see a new fingerprint is added. Fingerprint ID is 1 and the name is Shubho. Okay, let's add another fingerprint. Again I am trying with another finger. Remove, scan complete, and this time the ID is 2. I am saving the name as Shubho2. Okay, and click on save and scan. So here you can see 2 fingerprints are successfully added. Now we will add RFID card, and you can see here this RFID is not registered. Click on new RFID card and place the card here. So here you can see the ID is automatically detected, and I am placing the name as Shubho and click on save and scan. Okay, so here you can see a RFID card is added with the name. So if after that, as my fingerprint and RFID is already added, I am click this button and turn off the Wi-Fi. And now if you refresh this page, the page will not getting up because the web server is closed. Okay, now if I put my finger here, you have to place it correctly. So the door lock is opening. Okay, it will open for some time and then automatically close. If I place this finger, it is not registered. That's why it's not getting opened. If I put this here, it is not registered. That's why the gate is not opening, but this card is registered. So the gate is opening. So here you can see the gate is opened. And here, if you want to open the gate from inside, you have to click this button. So this lock will open. So that is it for today. I hope you love this project. If so, then make sure you hit the like button. And if you want to buy the kit of this project, then contact us. The details are given in the description below. And if you are new to this channel or seeing me for the first time, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for further notifications. And the most important thing, be creative.